legal challenge could affect future DUI cases all over the state of Minnesota.
A conservation officer lost his job in March after he was charged with driving over the legal limit of .08. In court today, his defense attorney argued the BCA's evidence is flawed.
Jay Coles talked with the officer and his attorney today. Jay?
Yeah, Kevin, the defense told a Monoman County judge the state miscalculated the amount of his alcohol in his client's system. And because of that, they want the case dismissed.
Shane Kennedy was pulled over near Detroit Lakes back in March. The original urine test registered his alcohol level at .08. He was charged with driving while intoxicated, and he says his life took a dramatic turn.
Revocation on my license to the state of Minnesota, which in turn resulted in me losing my job as a conservation officer for the White Earth Nation.
A 20-year U.S. Marine with 2 combat tours and the past 6 years in law enforcement, he thought his career was over.
It's devastating. I mean, I don't have a job right now.
Jay, it's 3rd grade math.
His defense attorney, Chuck Ramsey, told a Monoman County judge Monday the BCA got Kennedy's urine test results wrong.
The BCA forensic scientist had said today that she learned for the very first time last week when they presented her with this information that that machine rounds up.
Ramsey says the BCA test actually registered 079. But he told the court that number was slightly rounded up by the BCA, putting his client right at the legal limit for driving drunk.
And that resulted in what?
Their rounding up resulted in him losing his driver's license when he was actually under the legal limit, which then caused him to lose his job, wreck his life.
Ramsey tells me the judge agreed and read from his notes.
I believe there's no dispute. Ramsey's not challenging the procedures, but it appears that the test result was rounded up.
And Kennedy just wants his name cleared and his job back.
I feel like there's hope of, me getting my life back on track.
Now, a BCA spokesperson said they could not comment while the case is still active, but did say, quote, the BCA Forensic Science Services Lab is committed to providing the highest quality forensic services for a safer Minnesota, and we're confident that any testimony provided by BCA experts will be accurate, reliable, and transparent. The judge now wants the BCA to explain why rounding up is legal and admissible in court, and he asked the defense to lay out why the charges should be dismissed. Kevin?
Okay, thank you, Jay Coles. Really interesting.
It is.